Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 robotic lawn mowers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, i110N Robot Lawn Mower. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Power source, battery powered. Material, mower frame, PP, cover, ASA. Color, gray, black, orange. Item weight, 24 pounds. Cutting width, 7.1 inches. Operation mode, automatic. Maximum adjustable cutting height, 2 inches. Product number 2, Robot Lawn Mower Grass Cutter H750. Specifications. Brand name, Robot Lifestyle. Model number, H750. Virtual wire maximum length, 300mm/0.5 mm. Rated power, 75 watts. Cutting width, 18 centimeters. Cutting speed, 35 m/min. Blades rotate speed, 3200 rpm. Battery, lithium 2.6 Ah. Charging time, 1.5 hours. Warranty, 2 years. Net weight, 12 kgs. Certification, CE. Product number 1, CTOF Robotic Lawn Mower. Specifications. Brand name, Redkey. Model number, MGC500. Working areas, 5,381.96 square feet. Control system, app. Operating time, 70 minutes. Cutting height, 1.18 2.76 inches. Cutting width, 7.87 inches. Slope, 45%, 24 degrees. Waterproof level, IPX6. Decibel, 57 dB. Boundary wire, 47.24 inch. Weight, 43 pounds.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.